Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be about how to select nodes a new way, a different way. And I'm almost 100% sure it's only in X8 and above, which would be X8 in Corel 19 or 2018, depending on who you're talking to. But holding down the Shift key gives a whole new meaning in this. We've got these nodes, and if I wanted to select, and this isn't maybe the best example, but if I wanted to select all these nodes in this inner star, normally I could do this and it would select them all. But if it was a detailed drawing with a lot of nodes, and you didn't want to get those nodes, which that wouldn't happen in this case. But if you grab your shape tool and you click on it and hold down your Shift key and click that node and that node, it selects all the nodes on that path. Now, if you hold down again and hit Shift, it will select all the nodes going back the other way. So what this is doing is it's selecting that node and then everything between those two nodes to this side. Then if you click it again, it'll select every node on that side. That could be very handy. So let's do it one more time, and the reason you might want to do this, I don't know exactly why, but if you wanted to delete that, that wouldn't be the best scenario. But holding down the Shift key in X8 and above, you can edit nodes a little differently. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.